Welcome children, this is your social class. So the last class we are discussed about the chapter is Western Desert. So I hope all are reading the textbook well, isn't it children? So today the last class we are discussed the importance of Western Desert and from where to where to stretch, and the importance of land, water supply, vegetation and the climate also we are discussed. And today we are going to discuss about the importance of occupation and how they are living and which type of houses they are using, and which are the major cities from there. Okay, these things are we are going to discuss, and that's before you can see one checkpoint in your textbook. Okay, that is, you can see checkpoint page number 119 one checkpoint is there. The first question is that write true or false. First one is the Thar desert in Himachal Pradesh. Is it correct children? The Thar desert in Himachal Pradesh, is it true or false? Yes, it's a false. The Thar desert in Rajasthan. And second one is the Luni river flows through the desert. Is it correct? Yes, that is answer is true. And the third one is the region receive very little rainfall. Is it correct? Yes, it's true. Only throughout the year maybe there is no rainfall, and sometimes they receive only little rainfall. And the fourth one is the Jawaharlal Nehru Canal is in Rajasthan. Is it correct children? Jawaharlal Nehru Canal is in Rajasthan? No. Which river, which canal from there? That is in Indira Gandhi Canal. That is also answer is false. Okay children, and let us continue the chapter. That is first one is occupation, and what are the importance of occupation from there? What is the famous occupation from there? That is sheep, goat, camel and cattle. These rearing is the important occupation from there. Okay, and one of the important peoples are there. The people's name is Banjaras. What do you mean by Banjaras? So they grow, that means Banjaras means some peoples also travel from one place to another place. അതായത് ഒരു സ്ഥലത്തു നിന്ന് വേറൊരു സ്ഥലത്തിലേക്ക് അവർ മാറിക്കൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കും, അവർ ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കും. സോ ഫോർ വാട്ട് എന്തിനാണ് അവരിങ്ങനെ മാറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്? ദേ ആർ സെർച്ചിങ് ദ ഫുഡ്. So these peoples are we called Banjaras. Okay, so one of the important question is that what is Banjaras? So Banjaras, some peoples also travel one place to another place for searching the food. So these peoples are called Banjaras. Okay children, and these people's lifestyle is very hard. Why? Because they want to change one place to another place for searching the food every time. So that is the reason their lifestyle is very hard and difficult. Okay, and the next one is the importance of houses. Which type of houses they are using children? Tell me. നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന പോലത്തെ വീടുകളായിരിക്കുമോ? Yes, most houses have a flat roof and a few small windows. That means small windows they are using. Why they are using small windows? എന്തുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കും അവർ ചെറിയ വിൻഡോസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Because the walls are thick to keep the heat out so that the houses remain cold, and some houses have underground tanks also. Why? അത് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് അവർ ചെറിയ ജനലും മറ്റും യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Because every time is heavy wind is coming. നല്ല എന്താണ് ശക്തിയായിട്ടുള്ള കാറ്റ് വരും. So this wind carry a large amount of sand. സോ ഇങ്ങനെ ഭയങ്കര ഹെവി വിൻഡ് വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഈ വിൻഡിൻ്റെ കൂടെ എന്ത് വരും? മണലും കൂടെ കൊണ്ടാണ് അവർ വരിക. അപ്പോൾ വലിയ വലിയ ജനൽസും മറ്റും നമുക്ക് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഈ മണലുകൾ മുഴുവൻ എവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവും? വീടിൻ്റെ അകത്തുണ്ടാവും. സോ ദേ ആർ മേക്കിംഗ് എ സ്മോൾ വിൻഡോസ് ആൻഡ് ഫ്ലാറ്റ് റൂഫ്. And why their houses walls are very thick? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് അവരുടെ വാളുകൾ ഭയങ്കര തിക്കായിരിക്കുന്നത്? ബിക്കോസ് ദേ നീഡ് ദ റിമെയിൻ കൂൾ, എപ്പോഴും തണുപ്പ് ഉള്ളിൽ തണുപ്പിൽ നിന്ന് ഹീറ്റ് ആൻഡ് കോൾ, ചൂടിൽ നിന്നും തണുപ്പിൽ നിന്നും പ്രൊട്ടക്റ്റ് ആവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ദേ ആർ യൂസിങ് വെരി തിക്ക് വാൾ. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഹൗ ദേ ആർ സ്റ്റോർ ദ വാട്ടർ ഫ്രം ദർ, അഥവാ മഴ പെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഹൗ ദേ ആർ സ്റ്റോർ ദ റെയിൻ വാട്ടർ, എങ്ങനെയാണ് അവർ ആ റെയിൻ വാട്ടർ സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? യെസ്, ദേ ആർ യൂസിങ് ടാങ്ക്സ്. So these underground tanks to store remains or rainwater, so such tanks are called tankas. So what do you mean by tankas? Tankas means the underground water, when the rain is falling, underground water keep underground tanks to store the rainwater. These rainwater they are using another purpose, so these tanks we call tankas. Okay children, and the next is lifestyle. What is the importance of lifestyle? This Rajasthan people, yes, the women in village wear gagra choli. In your, you can see the picture also in your textbook, that is gagra choli and dhoni. Men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. What do you mean by turban? Talakattu. The picture also in your textbook, that is turban also using. And people love to eat, they are love to eat. നമ്മൾ കഴിക്കുന്ന, നമ്മൾക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റം കഴിക്കുന്നത് പോലെ തന്നെ that people love to eat which food item? Dal bati choma, that is their food item eat to they are like to best, that is the name is dal bati choma. And they are celebrate Gangur and Tej. This is the these two festivals they are celebrating. And the important popular folk dance is Ghumar and Kalbeliya. Ghumar and Kalbeliya is the important popular folk dance from the Rajasthan. Okay, and which are the major cities from the avadeyulla major cities edakeyanu? Yes, that is Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer and Bikaner, and some big cities are from the, these are the important cities are in Rajasthan. And Jaipur it's called Pink City. Why the Jaipur it's called Pink City? Because the city is also called Pink City because all buildings in the old cities are built of pink stones. പിങ്ക് കല്ലുകൾ കൊണ്ട് നിർമ്മിച്ച ഒരു സിറ്റിയാണ് എന്ത്? പിങ്ക് സിറ്റി. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ഫ്രം വേർ? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ Jaipur. Jaipur it's called Pink City, and a large number of tourists from all over the world visit Rajasthan every year. Okay children, and one of the important fort is there, that is Jaisalmer Fort. Jaisalmer Fort you can also known as Golden Fort. You can see in your textbook, this is a picture of that is Jaisalmer Fort or Golden Fort. Okay, this is also important attraction in the Rajasthan state. Okay children, I hope understand this chapter. And so this chapter we are discussed, that is Western Desert. So that is also called Thar Desert. The importance of location and extent, and the important, which is the important river, and which animals are we can found from there, and the nomadic group of people we call Banjaras, and which crops are grown from there, and the popular food item also we are discussed. This everything are we are discussed in this lesson. And you want to do, every children want to doing that one of the biggest desert is, that is in Sahara Desert. So you want to search and find out the importance of this all. So from where to where is stretched the Sahara Desert, and which is the important river flowing through the Sahara Desert, and which type of animals found we can see in the Sahara Desert, and which type of group people we can found, and what that people what we called, that also you want to search and find out, and what is the crops grown are there, and the last one is that people what is their popular food items. So these every point every children want to search and find out and copy down in your notebook. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.